Dynamind has a huge repository of pre-existing assessment which a mentor can simply search and import. I'll explain you how this import function works in a cohort. So first go to a menu, go to cohort, and here you will have to go to the cohort where you want to import. Adjust this by going to landscape mode. Now go to assessment marketplace. You want free available resources, so import the free ones. Now you will see this options: free from Dynamind, free from other team mentors, etc. Choose Dynamind. All the assessments shared by Dynamind freely available will show like this, but you can search using this. Put your search criteria, search. Now grade 9 starts showing. Just click on share with the team. The assessment has been shared to your cohort. Go back to cohort. You will see the one that has been shared. It is here. So this is how you can very effectively use thousands of already created assessments and simply import and don't have to do anything.